Hello and welcome to this Product of the Week episode. I'm your engineer as a service, Robin Mitchell, who is just super excited for this one because if there's one company that really gets my fat stacks going, it's M5Stack. Now, in this episode, we will be looking at one of their latest stack kits that puts the I in your T or my T. I need to work on that. Anyway, the product that we're going to be getting too excited about is M5Stack Tab 5, a powerful ESP32P4 industrial touch terminal with multimedia, multi-protocol, and modular capabilities. Stack that intro card and rock the music. Stop. Remember, if you want a chance at winning one of these, well, actually specifically this one, which I will definitely not lick, then comment below telling us what you would do with it. The M5Stack Tab 5 is a touchscreen device that is designed to be used as an industrial HMI, or for those who are not technical, a human-machine interface. This means that you could hook this thing up to various machines, creating a visual representation of some process, and have interactive controls such as furnace temperatures, redstone signal strength, and motor speed. Powered by the latest ESP32P, you get numerous capabilities in this tab, which, let's face it, really shows just how far even the faithful microcontroller has come. Whether you want to connect this thing over Wi-Fi or use something more physical like I2C, this tab has got you covered. Now, I know I'm supposed to talk about the 5-inch ISP display with a 1280 by 720 resolution, the fact that it supports multi-touch and gestures, and its internal 6-axis IMU, but this is a video about me, starring me, so I can talk about the things that I find interesting, and oh boy, I know what my eye is on. For me, the feature that makes this thing super awesome is that it's powered by the ESP32P4, which is Espressiv's latest ESP32 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth SoC. But Robin, you handsome and gorgeous man whose hair definitely isn't thinning, why is this flavor of ESP32 so important? Well, unlike the decision to eat large quantities of street food after being diagnosed with IBS, the ESP32P4 is powered by RISC-V, making it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to work with the latest CPU architectures that will undoubtedly start to eat up the market share of x86 and ARM. Now, this isn't a video on RISC-V, but when you consider that the Tab 5 is basically an entire computing system with user input, display, I/O, and connectivity, you quickly realize that the Tab 5 is far more than just another industrial HMI. No, it's the perfect development platform for RISC-V, IoT, and IIoT. Okay, so let's start with the obvious. It has a 5-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels and a GT911 capacitive touch layer which supports multi-touch. Furthermore, the Tab 5 has an integrated 2-megapixel camera, 1600 by 1200 resolution, and dual speakers with an integrated microphone, all of which can be used to support intelligent design such as facial recognition, image processing, and audio commands. Thanks to the use of the MIPI CSI lane, these images can be taken at high speed, making it perfect for real-time systems such as AI image processing. An integrated BMI 270 gives you a 6-axis IMU, so you always know which way is up, and an integrated micro SD card slot means that you can easily expand the memory of your designs. Now, thanks to the ESP32P4 and the clever engineers who built this, you also have RS485, Grove, M5 bus, and GPIO external, which also has a USB-A host port, a USB-C on the go port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and support for the good old I2C, ADC, and UART peripherals. Finally, stamp soldering pads make it easy to integrate additional stamp modules, such as MBIoT, LoRaWAN, and Cat-M. Okay, so we know that M5Stack is awesome. We also know that the Tab 5 is cool, and we also know that I think that it's a legit product, not because I'm getting paid, but because I have zero inhibition, saying literally what's on my mind, and I've never been able to hold on to an employed job for more than 3 months without absolutely destroying the company's morals and structure. But once we have one of these, what on earth can we do with it? Well, the first and most obvious use is as a HMI for industrial processes. Simply put, the touchscreen eliminates the need for keyboards and mice, which can be heavily affected by dust and moisture, while the ability to connect to numerous buses means that this device can easily communicate with a wide range of machinery, especially thanks to the RS485. Thus, it can be used to hold key controls, show current activity, and be used as an override. Another idea that comes to my mind is as an IoT device in home automation. Now, one big problem with modern IoT and smart home applications is that they often lack decent control panels, and this could do the job perfectly. Because this is powered by the ESP32P4, it can be easily programmed in the Arduino environment, and this means that creating open source IoT projects becomes trivial. This also means that porting code from other Arduino projects becomes possible, making this device an excellent interfacing system. But for me, personally, I would use this thing as a RISC-V playground. The combination of the touchscreen, display, hardware, I/O, and the fact that it looks absolutely sick, along with the Arduino support, means that I can get straight into RISC-V development. I can use this platform to evaluate the ESP32P4, design SoC-based tabs, and see how well the RISC-V performs. Of course, if this is too boring for you, then, I don't know, you could use this thing as a display unit for an aircraft or vehicle, a photo frame because you are boring, or as a long-distance lover's mirror when you can gaze into each other's eyes live because WhatsApp is now actively being hacked by the government or something. The M5Stack Tab 5 is an absolute unit of a device, and is anything but a touchscreen with a few GPIOs slapped on. This thing is a full-blown development platform that lets you flex your hardware muscles and flirt with RISC-V all at once. Whether you're a factory floor veteran needing a rugged HMI, a smart home tinkerer tired of clunky interfaces, or just a serial hacker who gets excited by the words RISC-V, this thing is built for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want to win this very Tab 5, which again I promise I haven't leaked yet, drop a comment below telling us what you'd build with it. Until next time, I'm Robin Mitchell, your engineer on demand, and I'll see you in the next Product of the Week.